Thanks for watching. Today we're looking at some 3D printable items for the Axial SCX6. I've seen people say online, I can't wait until Night Customs comes out with some 3D printable files. If you have a calculator, you can just go ahead and print already. This is my Axial SCX10 version 2. This is my Axial SCX10 version 3. This is a JK, this is a JLU, and then of course the SCX6 is also a Jeep JLU. It is pretty simple. You can just measure this body, you can measure this body, you can do the math if you have a calculator. If you have a phone, you have a calculator, it works like that. If you can't find the answer to your question, go back to school or get smart friends. If you do the math on it, you will see that you need to blow everything up to increase the size to 161.5% in your slicer software. Once you do that, you end up with the correct size. So what I did, I wanted to have this snorkel. I think this is a dope looking snorkel, so I wanted to have that on my SCX6 as well, prior to me redoing the paintwork on it. So that's done. I also wanted to have one of those front runner roof racks. You can see that over here on my JK. So I printed that one as well. This one I printed in PLA. The roof rack I printed in PETG, just because I think that that one will get some abuse. So that needs to be a tiny bit more flexible. And I also printed some max racks. These are 10 scale, this is 6 scale. You can tell that the difference is pretty significant. This stuff will all be painted up as well prior to me permanently fitting it to that body. I hope that kind of explains what you can do. These Night Customs files, you can find these on my mini factory. I will make sure that there's a link to that in the video description box. And I printed this using my Snapmaker 2.0 A350. And you need to have a large printer in order to print these type of items, because the scale of it is just really impressive. I hope that this gives you a bit of an idea of what's already possible if you do have one of these SCX6s on pre-order, because you can already go ahead and create some stuff using a 3D printer if you have access to one. Hope this was an informative video. Let me know if you have any further questions. If you want me to compare this truck as well to some of the other trucks or cars in my collection, I always like hearing from you. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Links to everything that I've showed, I'll also put a link to these two in the video description box so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.
Back on.